I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with what you already have: a connected device and permission to access settings. Open the connected device's network settings now and note the SSID. Then, locate the router model or sticker. Many routers include a default SSID and password. If you have admin credentials, you can log in. If not, prepare to use physical access or a connected PC to retrieve stored credentials. Once done, proceed to the router interface so you can view the saved wireless password. You're now inside the technical middle of the task. Open a browser and go to the router IP, typically 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Enter admin credentials. If you changed them, use those. Once logged in, find the Wireless or Wi-Fi Security tab. Here the WPA/WPA2 pre-shared key is shown or can be revealed. If web access fails, go to a connected computer's saved network settings and choose to finish by deciding whether to keep or change the found password. If compromised, set a new, strong passphrase and save settings, then reconnect your devices. If you can't log in, a physical reset restores factory defaults but erases custom settings. Use only as a last resort and no default login info first. If things still go wrong, check cables, reboot the router, and update your device's Wi-Fi drivers. These simple steps often resolve access issues and explain why you couldn't view or use the password earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.